Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are celebrating National Sports Day with a fun and informative quiz. Whether you are a sports enthusiast or just looking to learn more, these multiple choice questions will test your knowledge on everything from the history of this special day to the iconic sports figure who has shaped the game. So grab a pen and paper and let's see how much you know about the National Sports Day. Before starting, let us tell you a little about National Sports Day. National Sports Day is an annual event celebrated in various countries to honor and promote the importance of sports and physical activity in the lives of individuals and communities. The significance, date, and traditions associated with National Sports Day can vary from country to country. Below is a detailed overview of National Sports Day in India. In India, National Sports Day is celebrated on August 29 each year. This date was chosen to commemorate the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, one of the most legendary hockey players in Indian history. Who is Major Dhyan Chand? Major Dhyan Chand, born on August 29, 1905, is often referred to as the wizard or the magician of hockey. He was renowned for his extraordinary ball control and goal-scoring abilities. Dhyan Chand led India to three consecutive Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936, and his contribution to the sport has made him an enduring figure in the Indian sports history. National Sports Day in India aims to encourage the youth to embrace sports and fitness as integral parts of their lives. It also serves as a day to honor and recognize the achievements of the country's sportsmen and sportswomen. Celebrations and events on this day include awards. On this day, the President of India typically presents prestigious awards such as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, now renamed as the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, Arjun Award, the Dronacharya Award at the ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Number 2 is a sports event. Various sports events including marathons, football matches and hockey tournaments are organized across the country. Number 3, school and college activities. Educational institutions often hold sports competitions and activities to encourage students to participate in physical exercise. Number 4, fitness initiatives. The day also aligns with initiatives like the Fit India movement, which was launched in 2019 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to promote a culture of fitness among Indians. National Sports Day plays a very important role in promoting physical fitness, inspiring the youth, building national unity, and recognizing the talents. Now, let us move on to the MCQs. The first question is National Sports Day in India is celebrated on which date? Option A 15th August. Option B 29th August. Option C 2nd October. Option D 26th January. The correct answer is option B 29th August. Move to the next question. National Sports Day in India is celebrated in honor of which famous sports person? Option A Sachin Tendulkar. Option B Milkha Singh. Option C Major Dhyan Chand. Option D PT Usha. The correct answer is option C Major Dhyan Chand. Move to the next question. Major Dhyan Chand was associated with which sport? Option A Cricket. Option B Football. Option C Hockey. Option D Athletics. The correct answer is option C Hockey. Move to the next question. Which of the following awards are given on National Sports Day? Option A Bharat Ratna. Option B Padma Shri. Option C Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Option D Arjuna Award. The correct answer is option D Arjuna Award. Move to the next question. In which year was National Sports Day first celebrated in India? Option 1947. Option B 1950. Option C 1964. Option D 2012. The correct answer is option D 2012. Move to the next question. Where is the Major Dhyan Chand Stadium located? Option A Mumbai. Option B, New Delhi. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Chennai. The correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Move to the next question. Which of the following is not a part of the National Sports Day celebrations? Option A, distribution of sports award. Option B, inauguration of sports event. Option C, military parade. Option D, awareness campaigns on sports and fitness. The correct answer is option C, military parade. Move to the next question. Which Indian president first awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna on National Sports Day? Option A, Pranab Mukherjee. Option B, Ramnath Kovind. Option C, APJ Abdul Kalam. Option D, Pratibha Patil. The correct answer is option A, Pranab Mukherjee. Move to the next question. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna was renamed after which Indian hockey legend in 2021? Option A, Balbir Singh Sr. Option B, Dhanraj Pillai. Option C, Major Dhyan Chand. Option D, Mohammad Shahid. The correct answer is option C, Major Dhyan Chand. Move to the next question. Which Indian state's capital hosts the National Sports Day event with much grandeur? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Move to the next question. Which Indian Prime Minister launched the Fit India movement on National Sports Day? Option A, Narendra Modi. Option B, Manmohan Singh. Option C, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option D, Indira Gandhi. The correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Move to the next question. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest honor given for outstanding performance in which field? Option A, politics. Option B, science. Option C, sports. Option D, literature. The correct answer is option C, sports. Move to the next question. Which of these is an objective of celebrating National Sports Day? Option A, to promote tourism. Option B, to encourage children to participate in sports. Option C, to celebrate national festivals. Option D, to conduct military drills. The correct answer is option B, to encourage children to participate in sports. Move to the next question. Major Dhyan Chand is known as the wizard of which sport? Option A, cricket. Option B, football. Option C, basketball. Option D, hockey. The correct answer is option D, hockey. Move to the next question. Which year did Major Dhyan Chand receive the Padma Bhushan Award? Option A, 1956. Option B, 1965. Option C, 1972. Option D, 1980. The correct answer is option B, 1965. Move to the next question. What was the nickname given to Major Dhyan Chand due to his exceptional hockey skills? Option A, the Hockey King. Option B, the Wizard of Hockey. Option C, the Golden Stick. Option D, the Master. The correct answer is option B, the Wizard of Hockey. Move to the next question. Which Indian athlete is often associated with the promotion of sports in India? Option A, Milkha Singh. Option B, Abhinav Bindra. Option C. PV Sindhu. Option D. Mary Kom. The correct answer is option A. Milkha Singh. Move to the next question. In which year did Major Dhyan Chand lead the Indian hockey team to win their first Olympic gold medal? Option A. 1928. Option B. 1932. Option C. 1936. Option D. 1948. The correct answer is option A. 1928. Move to the next question. What is the main focus of National Sports Day? Option A. Promoting cricket. Option B. Highlighting achievements in sports. Option C. Celebrating Indian independence. Option D. Promoting traditional Indian games. The correct answer is option B. Highlighting achievement in sports. Move to the next question. National Sports Day is observed in which country besides India? Option A. Australia. Option B. Canada. Option C. Qatar. Option D. USA. The correct answer is option C. Qatar. Move to the next question. Which of the following is not a sport associated with Major Dhyan Chand? Option A. Hockey. Option B. Football. Option C. Cricket. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option D. None of the above. Move to the next question. What is the name of the hockey stadium in Jhansi named after Major Dhyan Chand? Option A. Dhyan Chand Stadium. Option B. Hockey Wizard Stadium. Option C. Jhansi Hockey Arena. Option D. Major Dhyan Chand Arena. The correct answer is option A. Dhyan Chand Stadium. Move to the next question. Which organization usually organizes events and programs on National Sports Day in India? Option A. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Option B. Indian Olympic Association. Option C. National Sports Council. Option D. Sports Authority of India. The correct answer is option A. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Move to the next question. In which year did India win its first Olympic gold medal under Major Dhyan Chand's captaincy? Option A. 1932. Option B. 1936. Option C. 1940. Or option D. 1948. The correct answer is option B. 1936. Move to the next question. Which Indian city hosts the annual Sports Day Marathon? Option A. Delhi. Option B. Mumbai. Option C. Bangalore. Option D. Hyderabad. The correct answer is option C. Bangalore. Move to the next question. What is the purpose of the Fit India movement launched on National Sports Day? Option A. To promote physical fitness and healthy living. Option B. To encourage digital education. Option C. To increase tourism. Option D. To support agricultural development. The correct answer is option A. To promote physical fitness and healthy living. Move to the next question. Who is the first female athlete to receive the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Option A. Mary Kom. Option B. PT Usha. Option C. Karnam Malleshwari. Option D. PV Sindhu. The correct answer is option C. Karnam Malleshwari. Move to the next question. Which event is traditionally conducted in schools on National Sports Day? Option A. Flag hosting ceremony. Option B. Annual sports meet. Option C. Science exhibition. Option D. Cultural Fest. The correct answer is option A. Annual Sports Meet. Move on to the next question. Major Dhyan Chand played for which country's hockey team before Indian independence? Option A. Pakistan. Option B. Australia. Option C. British India. Option D. Sri Lanka. The correct answer is option C. British India. Move on to the next question. Which sport was introduced to the Olympic Games as a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand? Option A. Kabaddi. Option B. Hockey. Option C. Cricket. Option D. Football. The correct answer is option B. Hockey. Move on to the next question. Which of these awards is not related to sports? Option A. Arjun Award. Option B. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Option C. Dronacharya Award. Option D. Padma Vibhushan. The correct answer is option D. Padma Vibhushan. Move to the next question. Which state in India is known for its strong hockey tradition celebrating National Sports Day with enthusiasm? Option A. Punjab. Option B. Kerala. Option C. Tamil Nadu. Option D. West Bengal. The correct answer is option A. Punjab. Move to the next question. Which Indian cricketer received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award on National Sports Day? Option A. Sachin Tendulkar. Option B. Virat Kohli. Option C. MS Dhoni. Option D. Kapil Dev. The correct answer is option B. Virat Kohli. Move to the next question. National Sports Day also aims to honor the coaches who contribute to the sports field. Which award is given for this? Option A. Arjun Award. Option B. Dronacharya Award. Option C. Dhyan Chand Award. Option D. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The correct answer is option B. Dronacharya Award. Move to the next question. Which sports is the focus of the National Sports Day celebrations in Qatar? Option A. Football. Option B. Athletics. Option C. Camel racing. Option D. Cricket. The correct answer is option A. Football. Move to the next question. Which Indian sportswoman is often recognized during National Sports Day events for her achievements in badminton? Option A. Saina Nehwal. Option B. Sania Mirza. Option C. PV Sindhu. Option D. Mary Kom. The correct answer is option C. PV Sindhu. Move to the next question. What is the name of the National Level Sports Award given on National Sports Day? Option A. Bharat Ratna. Option B. Dronacharya Award. Option C. Arjun Award. Option D. Dhyan Chand Award. The correct answer is option C. Arjun Award. Move to the next question. In which year did Major Dhyan Chand receive the Padma Bhushan Award? Option A. 1956. Option B. 1965. Option C. 1972. Option D. 1980. The correct answer is option B. 1965. National Sports Day is more than just a celebration of sports. It is a day to acknowledge the role of sports in building a healthier, stronger, and more united society. Whether through participating in sports activities, watching events, or simply learning about sport legends like Major Dhyan Chand, National Sports Day serves as a reminder of the importance of sports in our lives. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such content.